The markets are down, so that's why I was thinking we should start buying some. But let me tell you, this is not gonna be a full-fledged buy. This is a FOMO buy. If you were waiting for Bitcoin to drop because it's at all-time high, you're a smart person. And smart people also have FOMO. So this time we are going to analyze the market and try to invest a little amount of our total portfolio. And that's why, since I was gonna do the process, I might as well show you how I do it. Alright, so you will go to CoinGecko and search the top cryptocurrency by market cap or whatever. Then you will come. This is just because you don't miss any coin. So first one is Solana 186. We are currently at a good buying zone. As we can see, Solana is getting rejected from the channel, and if it comes back to the channel, then we should start trading. But as this is a FOMO, we'll take some risk. Let's say we go like this. This could happen, guys. That's a scenario, and then we could just get back and do this for the last time in this cycle. That's also possible. So the problem is with Solana, with a small amount of money, let's say $50, you won't buy shit. Alright, 187, you're gonna buy 0.26 Solana, and if it goes to the top point again, 300, let's say, your profit will be only $80. Not bad, not good. It is not good for $50, $30. There are better coins, trust me. So for someone who's not gonna hold, and also if you think you should buy for the like next 5 years, this is not the time. You should wait for the bear market for Solana to come like here and then buy. Moving on, Solana's smaller brother Sui. So for Sui, it is like this. It is trying to break out of this channel, let's say like this, and then it should go out. Already I think the bottom one has been hit like this. So from here, from this support, we can bounce back and get to 7 if we get that blow off top for this cycle. Also, quantitative easing is coming from December, and also rate cut has happened anytime that the market will be pumping. So I think this is a good FOMO zone at $2 or something. So for an average buyer, $50 buy of Sui will give you 25 Sui, and then the lowest price you're gonna get is 4.5. So let's see, 4.5, your profit will be $112. And if it goes to $7 or something, then 175. For every $50 you're gonna get 175. Moving on, Dino coins near USDT. Are we comfortable buying this? Oh no, we might go down a little bit, guys. We're at a short-term support zone. If the market pulls back from here, we're going at least 3.4. So that's that. Then we can go like $4. So that's a 2x. $50 will become $100. I'm not comfortable doing this. Let's see, ICP. Oh guys, I think ICP is dead finally. Just kidding. So if you want to call a coin dead, why don't you call this dead? Look at this. The downtrend started from 2021 after the bull run. Okay, look at this whole 4 years of downtrend. It just freaking covered it in like 4 days. How about that? So before calling something a dead coin, I think we should keep in mind that Everything is possible in crypto. This is my absolute worst case scenario chart of Gala. And when I say Gala pumping and I haven't bought any gaming coins, that means I have lost the gaming trend. So this is what Gala is for me. Then Gala has hit the lowest of the low buying zones. I was just teaching this to my student that there's a next step coming and it came earlier. So at the very least we should be getting 0.03. If we break out, then at the very least we should be getting 0.65. This is the zone I traded Gala for the first time. Every single day it used to go to 0.65 mark. For 0.65, let's say you invest a $50 into Gala at the price of 0.012, you'll get 4,100 Gala, and if you sell at 0.065, that's $270. That's like 5x. This is what I was talking about when I was talking about Solana and Sui being a little low on the profit margin. After Gala we have, let's go with the gamings, XC Infinity, AXS, USDT. Let's see how XC is doing. Whoa, I already analyzed this. Very easy for XC to get to like $10-11, so every $20 will be $150. If we want to be safe, let's say here will be a good price for him. Let's say from here to here is 700%, let's 800%. So let's say a $20 into 700% is $140. This is a 7x. Amazing returns, right? Then we can go for Mavia. Mavia is one of my most favorite tokens. Why? Because Mavia is the only gaming company I know that they have first of all, a newer game. Second, their game is amazing. Third, their NFT game will be top notch. And fourth, it's the new shit in the market. It's not low quality, it is high quality Clash of Clans. If Clash of Clans were to die today, Mavia will take the lead. But the problem is the market cap has been very low. That's the main problem right now. So we need to cross this area first, then this area. Let's not analyze this too much. Let's just think we will invest only a $20 here, and then we will look for a logical support. Let's say $3.5. I see this coin going like $5 easy. If it doesn't, my $20 gone to waste. $20. Alright, let's do a $20 divided by 0.10. It is very cheap right now. I'm telling you guys, you will get 200 Mavia coins, and if it goes to like $5, that's $1,000 divided by 20. That's a 50x. If you look at this $20 and if you look at future trading, this is kind of like a stop loss, right? Just buy it and forget it. It's gonna go there. We'll see some meme coins. Doggy USDT. Oh no, what's happening here? Let's go somewhere else. Alright. Oh shoot, my entry was here. Lol. Alright, I see this pumping. How exactly, let me tell you. But let's not make this an analyzing video. Something like this. I see a head and shoulders somewhere. Let's say like this, and then if the head and shoulder breaks, it should carry, let's say here. Now we will talk rationally that how far can this go. Thing is, the first target will be this 0.30 cents, and the next target will be this one, the top of the hill, 0.50 cents. I mean 0.50. If we have our rusty old calculator, we'll see that every $50 we will be able to buy 294 Dogecoins, and at our first target it will be 0.3. Nah, not happening. 294 times 50 cents. Now that's a 3x. I think at the end of the bull run, a 3x is as good as you get. But Pengu, my love, I love this coin. For a meme coin, we're not gonna invest a lot. Let's say a $25. $25 investment at the price of 0.017. That is 1,470. And how far can we go? 0.4. 0.4? That's not gonna be good. Bingo, you're not good. Dino meme coins has given us a lot, but in this hard time we need to look at Pepe also. Pepe, what are the support? Kind of. It is time to buy Pepe, by the way. I see good shit not like this, and then it's like this. Maybe the top price is 4026. all right, that is 182. That's a 7x. I would like this profit. Shiba Inu, $25 into $95 profit. WIF is a good place to get some profit. Minimum is 3x. $50 will become 150. Cardano, the market cap is way too high. Alright, we are at a temporary support zone. If anything goes south, we're gonna hit here 13.10. So Chainlink fans, you should put a buy order here just in case. $13. And if it bounces from here, then at least we're going to 29. For a big coin like this, it's a $17 coin, so you should invest a little more than $20. And at the top price, let's say $88. You'll have to invest a lot of money in this to see a good profit. Toncoin, I used to like this coin, but they have lost their shine, of course. We have hit the rock bottom as well. We have the support. I don't think we're gonna go much lower, but I would put a buying order at 1.5 just to. But if something was to happen, this shit will fall to like this area, this support line. Look at this. The first thing it's gonna do, it's gonna hit this support line. So I would put like $50 here and then ride the whole way to like $9. Ton is a new coin. It is actually going much higher than $10, but I will, for this bull run, I will put it to like $8. All right, is 150. Yeah, 3x. Wolfie, this is gonna go to $1. This is Trump's coin, so you better believe it. It's a 700% profit. Is 140. 7x. USDT. Let's see the weekly. We're at the rock bottom. We cannot go lower than this. I think this is our call. So again, $20 will become 7x. I think you know that Solana, Link, Sui, you need to spend a lot of money just to get some kind of profit. So let's say we are getting this coin at let's say $6. We'll get 8, and then if we go to like 45, let's say 50, no, let's say 40, then it's $300. So huge returns. This is a good investment. Aave is a good coin, only 3 billion, and the price is higher. Always remember, those coins will higher prices and lower market cap will always pump like crazy. Aave is always a good choice, but in spot, if you do future, you're wrecked. Bitget token, this especially after the pump when everyone is talking about dumping, this coin gets extremely high. If we start getting back from here, then we get back from here. All right, at the top 8.5. But if something was to happen bad and we'll hit here, then we'll go here. What is the price? 2.3. So it is very wise for you to put a buy order here and sleep. Let's say a $50 into this divided by, what is the price? Let's say we buy at $4. How about that? So we'll get $12, and then we'll wait till like $10, 125. So that's not a lot. So if you hold this coin, be sure to put it in Bitget and take the, what do you call that, the APY or APR. Apate, let's see, Apate. Good spot to buy. We are at a good zone, buying zone. If you are buying spot, you shouldn't worry and buy this shit. Pi Network, just for the memes, I'm gonna show you. This is a scam coin, by the way. I already made a video on this. Their whole liquidity pool is a scam. This coin will go to zero anytime. So if you want to buy this coin, it's now. All right, or if you got the coin for free somehow, and just for the memes, if you know that the value of pi is 3.1416, so for the memes it should at least go 3.1416 here. So in that sense, this is 12x, and I have put my money on this. I've got like $25-30 from Pi airdrop, so I've kept that. I'm not gonna sell until I hit 3.1416. Paul dead. Aster is a good option. I don't know much about this coin, but I am waiting to buy this. Nothing can be said about these kind of coins because it just got launched, and I am guessing we'll be stopping somewhere near here. Let's say if something was to happen to this coin, which is good, then it can go to like $3 or something. So let's say if you buy at 70 cents, invest 0.7 times 3. Not bad. It's a good investment. Algo, nah. We're at the buying zone. We are at the support. It is a good place to buy, and I believe with a small amount of investment you will be able to get a lot of return. Let's say we break out from here and take this 0.25. How much is that? Let's say $25 divided by 0.09, and we'll get 277 Casper. Oh, 0.25, 69. What? Maybe this could happen. 0.3. Nah. Do not like the returns. If in this shitty situation I'm gonna invest for the best returns in the market. Render. Oh god. Bro. Render's dead. Render's dead. Look at this. It's a good resistance. Another good resistance. Another good resistance. That's one thing. We should be coming here. First target is 0.4. That's a 2x. $50 will become 200. Say good coin. As you can see, I have done this 1.18 and I think I have written something. Yes, every $20 will be $110. You have seen, if you look at the market, you'll see that there's a lot of coins that are at the bear market zone. So 200% easy. I mean, if something good has to happen to bonk, I see like this. Look at this. Something like this could happen. Maybe 500%, 600%. That's a 3x. Then it's a good choice. Meme coins are not giving too much profit. So it is actually not time to buy meme coins. It is time for buying coins that have gone way too much down, and it is your time to shine. If the next leg of the bull run hits, then you should be able to get like 5x of your money if you invest now. Look at this. Every single coin that I'm seeing has been in this zone, like the really bottom zone. Either all of them died at once, or we will see the money coming from Bitcoin to all coins. Last coin we're gonna do, then we are going to go for Bitcoin. Look at this, 1000%. You just go to the chart. If you want to invest, stay in the top 100 coins, then go to their chart and see if they are doing like this, something like this, and then you invest a little amount of your money. Let's say how much? Let's say 10% of your total portfolio. Let's say you have a $2,000. You'll invest $200 here. All right. Either the bull run is over, or we are yet to see another high. This high is going to be something like from this support to like this. All right, that is 130. So if that happens, what do you think gonna happen? The money has to go somewhere else. Where will the money go? I think this is the last tap on the top. Could be here, could be here. Near 130, exit the market. Then there should be a dump. I think it's gonna come here, 70 zone. I don't know. We'll figure it out then. What happens? My short positions will start to appear from 130-ish this time. If the bull run is not over, I will be shorting from here to here, as much as I can, as much as I'm comfortable with. The next thing will happen, that BTC dominance will start coming down and the money will start flowing into Ethereum. I was looking at this and I can't shake the feeling of like this and then this. Look at this. Why do I feel like we should come here once more before pumping for the last time? Okay, speculations aside, let's say this is the lowest point we'll get, and if something was to happen good with Ethereum, the money from Bitcoin will have to come here. Then it will go up. How far up? Let's say this far up. For now, I am thinking 50% of that, 6,000. And Ethereum becoming 6,000, that means all the altcoins under Ethereum will pump. But here I want to tell you that you need to do something. First of all, for spot, do not put your stop losses, because something like that Binance thing could happen and stop you out. Because you're buying in spot, you should be safe, and the amount of safety is you invested. Only invest 20% of your total portfolio at max, and 10% is recommended. Also put your TP. All right, if you don't put your TP, so you cannot keep tabs on all of these stuff, right? And also something like ZEC I showed you could happen. So putting a TP is the best thing you can do. So put an order where you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell here of an altcoin, and put your TP here and sleep. Just forget it. You'll see one day suddenly the TP hits and you'll get a notification. That's the thing we are wanting. Alright, this has been a long video. I'm not gonna cut it much. So this is a raw reaction of the market, how I analyze the market and how you should analyze the market. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.